So this is my message, my downloads for full moon, the 13th of January, which is a Monday. It's the wolf moon. A ritualist. They don't want me to say that because since yesterday I'm trying to put that up and it's not going for hell. 22 on the timer. A ritualist, a satanist, wants to sacrifice a virgin. Okay, for the full moon, which is January the 14th, Monday. And I got that download yesterday at 3:33. Okay, this is either a blood spell or a sacrificial spell. Okay, but at the beginning of the year, like I have been saying for the past 7 years since I have been doing cartomancy and tarot. At the beginning of the year, they want blood, you know. They want to sacrifice somebody. They need blood to start off the year or to carry them through the half of the year or the rest of the year. Okay? Take what resonates, leave what does not. I don't know if I'll go further into it, but everybody be guided.